Welcome back, LEGO Squad. So we're gonna go fishing in Maryland today off this pier, and we're gonna see what we can catch. Right now I'm putting on a worm, but it's gonna be a minute. So we're gonna cast this out and see if I can get a bite. Put up a little fight. Biggest one yet. Come on, open. Open wide, you little butthole. It's a white-bellied perch. Now we release him now. Thank you. And he didn't even take my worm completely. Sick. Hey, how'd you escape? I put you in there. So we're gonna cast this out and see if I can get a bite. Now we're gonna wait and see what happens. Okay, LEGO Squad, I think I got a fish. Never mind.
Oh, you got off. How long you been fishing?
For about an hour. I'm gonna see what I can catch.
How old were you when you started fishing?
8.
As old as you were to hold a pole. I think I took you when you were younger.
Maybe.
I had to. I was always fishing.
That's really cool. Just stare at the water right where I'm staring, right there. And it looks like fireworks.
Pretty cool.
Yo, guys, I caught a fish. Guys, I caught a fish. It's another yellow or a white belly perch. Look at him. Amazing. A lot smaller. Bro, chill. Chill, dog. I'm trying to make this easy for you and me. See? That's simple, okay? I'm gonna release you. That's the second fish of the day. We're gonna see if I can catch more, or we're gonna try to catch a catfish. Okay, well that's it for today, LEGO Squad. Well, we'll see you next time. Bye.